Good morning. We survived the storm. I think everybody's okay. Here we are. Oh my God, it's windy. Me going through the snow. My husband said he's going to try to bring the snow thrower back and make a path here, but usually I end up just shoveling a path out to the chicken coop. I have to shovel out the whole turkey yard, put straw in. See if we can see. The windows are a little dirty. There they are. You guys made it. Some of the ducks under the run. Hi guys. Hi TT. That's Tardy to the party. That's my girl, my little chicken. Ducks under the coop. This coop is really cool because they can go under it. If you've never seen ducks running through snow, you're missing out. So you get to see what it looks like. Come on. Oh, they just want to go out and straight to the... Oh, look at them go up through the snow. Come on. There we go. There's your friends. You guys want to come out? It's not pleasant. They're not going to come out. They're like, oh, hell to the no. They're looking for their food and water. So I'm going to go. It's your first big snow. Look at you sleeping in the snowbank right here. You gonna make snow ducks in the snow? So that's all our ducks. Chickens are not out yet. I'm gonna get all the waters and the foods, but what I'm doing is I'm letting the ducks smash down some of the snow. It's easier for the chickens to walk through. And I'm probably going to shovel some paths out here. I'm going to go do the waters. I have to shovel out the pen over there. That's the turkey pen, so they can come back in their pen. I'm going to spread a bunch of this straw. The snow is done, so I can spread some straw for them. Come on! Come on, you want to come out? Come on, Yardy. I'm going to you want to come out? Like, no. Like, they're like, why would we want to come out into this? But isn't it pretty? Okay, you can all stay in there. Here's my little snow path up to the house, and I'm going to have to shovel or plow through all this. A few of them came out to follow me. No, we're going back in. Screw this. I don't blame you. Oh, baby. I have to go shovel. Poor ducks. You can hear my turkeys up here making noise. Okay, I'll be back later with more snow report. Bye.